And people that think say come here, you work this, and me come here, me I go 11 years now in this country, and me I tell you the truth. Me never take a vacation until for go another state. For say me I go. I want little Airbnb or any little thing and like that. Me never travel back on a plane from me coming to this country. Come in and halfway for travel with me now no money.
A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment and make we get straight into this. First thing first, as me beg, as usual, me nah beg money, nah make diamond, nah beg a car, nah beg a house. Me just a beg a thumbs up on the video and a like. If you know I watch the TV, get on the phone, type in MIXUP boss, click on the video and press the like button. Me have a jam-pack show for you today. Okay, you know we change up the thing and we do it different now. Alright, so first thing first, I put out ads yesterday. I said all of the single people who is seeking leave a voice message and me label no as caller 1, caller 2, or lady 2, or man 1, or man 2. But I'm going to put it in an order. I'm going to wait for that I got to further down in the video. Down to the last part because we're going to deal with bottom. Alright, so I'm going to say the ladies them first and then I'm going to say the gentleman them who is also seeking. So me work with 5 per show. Alright, so you just listen, pay attention if you see somebody where when I go see them picture, I keep them image private. Because you know some people now really want them co-worker and friends, especially women them in a church. Me see up and mix up boss, look man. Eh, what you say, yeah, Chris? Hey, everybody needs somebody to love. So we don't want nobody in our business. Anyway, me have an interview with a black American girl and me and her have a big debate, guys. Some of you go agree with me and some of you go disagree with me and agree with her. Alright, me ask her say why them feel so entitled as woman and how them cheat Jamaican man and how them cheat man overall, especially in our relationship. Stay tuned for that. Alright, another thing more address, guys. Me have to read out the little article here. See? Undocumented Jamaicans living on edge in the USA. Guys, now is not a good time to be undocumented in America. I got to start it shoot. I don't know if I want to watch my show. I don't know if I want to listen. If I want to depend on keys and cues. If I want to, me say if I want to work $450 now a week. Because people know the situation. Guys, if you don't believe me, somebody call me and tell me say $150 I work a week. $150. And I say a lie I tell. Yeah. Because what am I do now? See, I want to listen to this. $150 a week, him not work 7 days a week. Inside 2 days. He get one look work. And a $10 an hour. I couldn't believe when the man tell me, guys, $10 an hour. You understand? And he auntie do a look work. And why right now, inside auntie face screw up your auntie and say, yo, right now, out of your work $150, I'll go back to Jamaica. Which I never do. It don't make no sense. No for you no want to come back and when you pray too high. I'm not laugh off of the situation. Big man thing. I'm not laughing off fight. Alright, so I read an article where come out in one popular newspaper because we not call nobody name and give them no clout over here. See? As I say, from riches to rags and insults and crumbs is what some undocumented persons said they are faced with since the Trump administration took office in January. Big up my friend Francine for the article here. In addition to having their under-the-table wages cut by close to 50%. When you hear that, say if somebody in a work on 5 bills, 6 bills, they cut. And some cut lesser, come I tell you about the 150. If you don't believe me, put believe, because I'm not going to tell lie. Some say they are being treated differently since Immigration and Custom Enforcement ICE agents begin making raids. Kim, a mother of 4, got a U.S. visa approximately 4 years ago and vowed to never to return to Jamaica. I'm done with Jamaica. Be a bad mind people out there. A foreign me there now. Me have to make it. Within days, with a friend's help, she landed a job in Florida as a caregiver. Kim said she was on top of the world. She stated that she felt like part of the patient's family. Lord God, then take her in good. But recently, her employer has been giving her the cold shoulder kiss me neck. Guys, thumbs up the video and put a like on this. The only job me ever have since me come to America. And me not gonna lie, it helped me out big time because me did start a little house in Jamaica. And me say when me done it, me would take my time, get me documents straight out and start flying and do my little thing. You know? My house reach far still, but you know finish. See? I'm glad for the little job because me never have to pay rent. But all of a sudden, it is like a favor them a do me. First thing happen is that me pay a cut. Best believe when me tell you say, I be a ramen noodle diet and straight dollar store me shop. Right? It rough right now, she said. And me try tell people at Jamaica say, it rough. Sometimes a family member call and beg me. And me tell them say me not have it. Some of them vex. Me used to in a one partner. Me used to have 2 hands in a one partner. Sorry guys. But now, me have to go in there with 1 hand. See? Me pay a job from $750 weekly to $370. Lord God, that's why them take a big cut. Hey, me tell you now, you see through them and document, people know the situation, people take advantage of it. And that go on in a foreign, a true enough people afraid to come out contact, and then I want them vice for ear on social media and them thing there. You understand? So that's how you go. Alright, so she says normally she would pay her $750 a week. Now she get $450. You know, but still for somebody when I pay rent and can boom bang bang bang. But me know I cut. Anyway, normally this stress me out because I used to have dinner at the dinner table with them. Now things change. You understand? And she say, our employer start talk to me like some little girl. Our employer start talk to me like some little girl, and she never used to do that. And she never used to do it, sorry. I just be stress. It's like them I try drive fear in me for left and ask how me I go manage if me get catch or work illegally. Lord God, so them I ask the woman that guys, and I tell her, I say, how she go feel. Anyway, me said to them, say, I said, in the first 50 days of the administration, ICE has made 32,809 enforcement arrests. So ICE are going. Right now, I have to brace myself to go look a local place because the way them people here, I move and I look for me and I bring me down and I come like them want cheat me like nobody. I can't expect nothing less from them in the coming days or months, depend on how long me there. Anyway, me come expect me to come out same time. Me no like how them carry on at all because them a big up Trump supporter. Them a big Trump supporter. Okay. So all of a sudden, them want to make America great again and get rid away. When me did I get the big money, $750 a week, me used to throw bills 50 partner. Oh, she talk out too much. So when you see them story, guys, when you see them story, when I fabricate it, a real story. She saw bills 50 she used to throw. So that would be like, call about 120,000 a week partner. Good money that a week send home. And she said she used to send home 200 for her kids them. Oh God, then lunch money and thing. Yo, people have it rough and do a little saving still, have backup next bill so me can carry me through. Now me have to hide from Carl from Jamaican because I close to my month, me no send out. She said I close to a month, me no send out nothing. Partner did back up, so me have to clear up that because me get the jar already. Me buy a little snack and thing, but I wonder if it's a rough like how she sound, guys. Put it in our chat, put it in our comment. I wonder if it's a chat. Right now, me I live a dollar store and some other little things. But the article go on, guys, and you can read it. It depends on one site. More time I post something, I see some blogger post it too. But I just want to keep my thing authentic my way. So guys, when you hear it, when you hear it for yourself. So that's the living condition for enough undocumented. Now, comment if you don't believe what can be done, what should you do. Go and ride until the wheel and come off, or them for come at the yard. Me personally, if I made it over them, I now come at my yard. I try fight it out. Comment if you don't agree with me. Alright, let me play the video.
And people that think say come here, you work this, and come here, I go 11 years in this country, I tell you the truth. Me never take a vacation nothing for go another state. For say me I go. I want little Airbnb or any little thing and like that. Me never travel back on a plane from me coming to this country. Cause me not have where to travel with. Me not have no money. Me not have no money. Me not have where to travel with. Me not have it. I mean not joke and no joke thing and I just this not just do for no views, nothing. I see you or something me I telling about. Me not lie. It's a struggle to live in this place. It's a struggle. Me not joke. Give thanks me have a roof over my head. If me not go work, if my foot a pain so bad I me not go work for a day, me lose a paycheck. Plus me lose time. Me lose a paycheck. Plus me lose that my time that me keep me in my job, my points that me keep me in my job. Me first say, Father God, please straighten my foot that me can go work daily. My life depends on this job for pay me overhead in America. Every day me tell myself, say, save me to have a house back home. Me tell the truth, save me to have a house back home. Cause me there in Jamaica, me used to do me little small business and so. Have me little cart in my yard and sell me little food and per Friday and such a day me fry me fish and them thing there. And me blend up my magnum and peanut and okra juice and Irish mash and used to sell that to Jamaica. Me live in the countryside America. Me not live like New York and them place there where you know say if you do a little thing you can get 1 and 2 support over that side. It's not easy. Me tell you say me did have a house back home, people. Me go back home, me hand over back the citizenship and head back to my yard and go do something down there. Put up a little shop or something.
Yo, one thing do I know people, you have some real, it's like the lady about her, you know, me have to rate her. These are the type of people where he make it, then come a find for a purpose. But, you know, circumstances set away. You understand? And everybody have a story. So I say go. So anyway, guys, we reach 11 minutes in a video. Alright, we can go on something else. Alright, so when we play the interview with me and the Black American girl, and then now we're going to look out for the single people in the show. Wanna agree with me? Make you listen. Alright, so guys, now me up on the phone here. The young lady I reach out to me. I not call her a lady because she how much again? 35, don't my friend?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And she said she watch my program and she said she watch one video with me I talk about 50-50. Like she said there's no thing named 50-50. But what I'm saying to her, a Jamaican woman understand about 50-50 in a relationship, and American, I guess you're a Black American, right?
Right.
Yeah, I guess you don't believe in that crazy ass thing. So, what your problem you have with 50-50? What you try to say? Well, come, give me some clarity.
For me, 50-50 is never 50-50 for the woman because we are responsible for mostly everything inside the house. So it's not 50-50.
No, what you mean it's not 50-50? Hold on. What about we say 50-50? More I understand where I come from. We are talking about money, financially, like your job and how much you earn. So for instance, you earn $1,000, me I earn $2,000. The mortgage come up to $1,500. See? You that split that with the man?
You have to pay the mortgage.
What?
You have to pay the mortgage. You have to pay the mortgage. You're paying this overhead. If I go half with you, what are you doing with your other half?
Save my money, like save it. Suppose I want to save a bill back something in Jamaica. For in the future, we can come chill. We are in a family.
No, that's not, no. You're going to pay all of this overhead. You have to pay the overhead. Where are we going to live? We're not splitting the overhead. You take care of the overhead, and I'll take care of little stuff.
Then if hold on. So you tell me say if the bill of 50, the mortgage of 1,500, you tell me say me have to pay the whole mortgage, see?
Yes.
And what you do with your one?
Take care of everything else that we have to take care of.
No, name me some of the things and where you that take care as a woman.
Okay, groceries,
One.
which is very expensive and it adds up.
1.
Electricity.
2.
If we have I have to take care of myself because you want me to look good. and feel good about myself,
Oh,
right?
so
You
me
enjoy
not
looking
forget,
at me.
me not forget the money for make yourself look good. You're good.
Sometimes it's good for you to give me money, of course. So you think because you're paying the mortgage, you're not supposed to give me any other money other than that?
It look like say you come from a Jamaican man to hearted I take everything from them. Boy, I could date a black American in a real. If that are the case, present it. I should put it on the table and say, look, dear man, this is what your life is gonna be. Zane, when I girl. So one more ask you something. So if you have a man, Zane, alright, I could say husband, because I know I love married and then a couple months after on a divorce and I fling out the man then and then something like, right? Anyway.
Oh my God.
Anyway, let me get something straight now. Zane? So, yeah, said to me now, once my work might pay a 2,000. We just use 2,000 for your reference. You know I'm on that. So, my work me $2,000 now. Me you have to know, keep track and know how I spend my money.
I'm not saying I have to know how you spend money. I just want to make sure that where we live, the overhead is covered. That's the most important. You're providing a place for us to live.
All right, suppose you are worth more money than me. Suppose you are worth $5,000 and me I worth $1,500.
Then you're gonna cover the mortgage and then I do everything else.
And the mortgage are $1,500.
Then I'm gonna give you $20, but you're gonna pay this mortgage.
You're gonna give me $20?
How much money you gonna need to go back to work for the rest of the week? But you gonna pay this mortgage.
Yeah, when joke are you serious? One, you listen, remember now, this is what we are talking at the session, you know. People are gonna listen, now. I mean, I tell you, the ladies, them some of them might agree with you and some might bash you.
Right, that's fine.
But what I'm saying, if you have a man in your life, and you are worth $5,000 and him are worth $1,500, you would have want him still pay the mortgage for $1,500? Let's be real.
Want him to pay our overhead, yes. And then he's gonna get a second job on the side.
Jesus God. No, me see why man them when they come then run with the rotted.
No, you want to know what the issue is?
That's a wickedness, man. Well,
no, that's not
so
wickedness.
why you can't pay it out of the 5,000?
And then what you doing with your 1,500?
Oh my God. So why you not say, all right, because me have more money, I make more money, so I pay the mortgage. You can pay buy grocery and you pay the electricity and all of them stuff there. You're a shrinky man to trade. We're supposed to man all have a little picnic at Jamaica. You could send the money then.
No, that's different. That's a different conversation.
No, I'm just saying. Me just add that in it now. Me just add that.
If he has a child in another country, of course we're gonna go ahead and budget out stuff. That's different. The child is different.
Like how much you could have sent for your child, so?
I don't know how much does it cost to take care of a child every month.
Now you thought maybe a $50 if I could send a month.
Oh no, I don't think that's enough. No, I'm not that bad. I just think a man is responsible for paying the overhead. That's how I strongly feel.
Oh, that's how you go. Like, that's how.
Yes. But, man, I feel like that's why. Listen, I feel like that's why it's always such an issue when Jamaican men come here because they're not used to this kind of responsibility. I think they like to push that over on Jamaican women, and Jamaican women tolerates it, but here we don't tolerate that.
It's not a matter, but I'm just saying it's fair. If you make $10,000, me I make $2,000. And the mortgage of $2,000. You tell me, say me if you cover a mortgage?
Yes. So and I'll take care of everything else.
But what you think about you paying the mortgage and still have back $8,000?
No, I don't want to. I think the responsibility of the man is to provide somewhere for a woman to stay.
So no matter oh my God, jeez, this is a wickedness.
That's not wickedness. That a man is supposed to work hard and be a provider.
But the man provide in a different form and shape. The man buy
what
grocery.
Is he providing?
Food essential. What more important than food?
A roof over my head.
Yeah, but you can cover the roof. That's what I'm saying. So I say why?
I don't want to. I don't want to cover the roof.
So you say why your man? So you say why your man would run off then? I'm gonna find out. What?
I never had that issue. I don't have a runoff issue.
No, I'm saying if you have a Jamaican man come over and whatever, you just run off. You not go. Me not go through that. Put this on me in a position. Me not go. Me that take me time and run away.
What if I was trying to get you to find a different job so you can make more money?
So but make more money not gonna benefit me. It'll benefit you. Cause you want me to be a provider to pay for your mortgage.
It's our home. You're paying for us to live.
And our home, because when push come to shove, you sell your house and you take more money because you're a wife. No,
that's not true.
Yeah, laugh.
That's
All
not
right.
true.
If you're on the man, the man a pay mortgage and your income to separate now. And then say, what you gonna do? Give him the house? Like when him did pay the mortgage, I have to sell and
I mean, it depends. I mean, if we're in a situation and let's say most of the times when something happened, breakups usually are done most of the time by men, right? Let's say it was a case of infidelity and he whatever, and we can't see eye to eye and we just have to separate. We would have to sell the house if both of our names are on it and split the profits.
So
that's just how it works.
So how much would I want out of 100%?
100% of the profit, it would have to be split in the middle.
So you're split in the middle, 50-50.
Yeah, the profits has to be split 50-50. We're
equal
owners.
Even though I make sure all the mortgage all the time for my house.
We're equal owners.
Oh,
and if we have kids, then you gotta go.
What?
If we had kids, you have to leave the house.
Why me have to leave the house and I pay a mortgage?
Well, you will still be paying the mortgage. You just won't be able to stay there.
What? No, stop down then, Joe. Hold on. Where you saw a while ago?
It's a thing. It happens here.
Jesus, help me.
Yeah.
What kind of something them? So where you say, even though me have to come out of your house, you tell me say, while me out of your house, me have to still pay a mortgage?
Yeah, you have to provide for the wife and the child, until everything is done. Yeah. And it depends. Sometimes it never gets done.
Oh my God. So I'm gonna have to be careful when I go tie knot with an American woman then. I have to know them look find blueprint. No, this is a serious topic we are talking here.
Right.
I'm want Jamaican man them listen and learn and about a quick for run, understand the whole culture, understand how the system work. Cause when it happen like that now, when I go come and mix up bar show and I say, yo, meet American woman. And wait. But it unfair though. Cause if me not live in our house, why me if pay a mortgage?
Because you have to maintain the lifestyle of the people that were in the house. Like let's say I never worked and you worked and you paid the mortgage and do all these things. And for whatever reason we're breaking up and you're like, oh, you don't want to be with me anymore and all these things. I never worked. Remind you, I never worked and we had children. You still have to maintain that lifestyle that I had.
Alright, I understand that. But me I say, may I have a breakup. And you tell me, say, so I think I'm supposed to can fight it and go court and say, Anna, may I make $2,000 and she make $5,000. And me have to do this and me have to do that. It can't work so.
I feel as though if you have always paid the mortgage, right? You make less than me. In a situation like that, it depends. It could go either way. Sometimes they'll want the woman to pay the man and, bullshit. But
so most of the time when things like that happen, like a husband and wife thing, you don't make a man go on or you don't want all the money?
It depends.
No,
if he hurt me real bad.
On what condition you take all the money from a man?
And if he cheats on me real bad, if he cheats on me real bad,
if he cheats on you real bad,
stuff like that, he has to pay me. He has to pay me until I decide to get remarried. And if my checks are good every month, I am not getting remarried. So you have to pay me for the rest of his life.
And you think that's a fair life?
Yeah, I mean, he used up my body. Let's say we had kids. He used up my body for kids to reproduce and all these things. Of course. I think that's a great trade-off. You don't think so? That's why you guys should be careful and stop being all over the place.
Lord God. So, basically, long story short, better a man just go and go find him Jamaican woman and ease himself.
I'm telling you, because only a Jamaican woman will tolerate the Jamaican men's behavior. He should really, I know they come about.
Hold on, the culture, man, the culture. That is why a lot of people in America are single and South American, because they can't find somebody to match the culture. Whenever you have a mixed culture, it causes problem.
It does, but you guys don't treat your women like they should be treated. Because then you have the Jamaican men, because then when they get here, they expect for people to cook and clean and do all the stuff a Jamaican woman do. But when they have that at home, they don't appreciate it. So they come here and karma get them real quick.
I guess in some cases, yes. But I can't believe you say if a man left your house instead of your pay.
Yeah.
So who pay for your man, who pay for your man rent now when he left
I
you?
don't care. That got nothing to do with
You
me.
don't care. Okay.
No, we're not together. I don't care.
Oh, so
That's
you
his
care
problem.
about it, but you care about him maintaining your lifestyle.
Absolutely,
Okay,
that's it.
Black American. When you entitled, I don't always feel like things will go phone away.
And they never stop coming, do they?
Never stop.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Right.
Well, but thanks to the little lecturer. A lecturer, you call you a lecturer me down.
Yeah, it's not a lecture.
Okay, well, this are going interested. More your people and say tonight.
Alrighty.
So big up yourself and read the comment them.
Alrighty.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye. Yeah. And you see them thing, guys. This is a perfect example. I hope man them a listener understand how most foreign woman think. Wanna hear it? Wanna hear it? I don't know if ladies if you not agree, gentlemen, put it in a comment. What you think about this Black American and fear culture. To each his own. Anyway, guys, you know what time it is? Single show time. Alright? So, this is the part of the show now where we are implementing the vlog where single ladies and single men from all over. So, I have 5 person. So, I'm going to put out them voice note and label them as lady 1, lady 2, lady 3. So, you can reach out to me if you're interested in a lady 1, lady 2, or lady 3. Or gentleman 1, gentleman 2. Alright? So, we can continue.
Hi, good night. My name is Stella. I'm sorry, I'm a bit under the weather, but real quick, I am 62 years old, mature. I am a mother of 2 grown kids, 2 sweet kids. I'm looking for a companion who, you don't have to be a Christian, but be respectful of women, hardworking, just be honest about everything in life and be able to communicate. I'm not looking for no perfection, but like I said, I'm looking for a companion who is hardworking, honest, and respect women. And then if you think that you're that person who want to be with a woman like me, then link me. Take care.
I'm laughing. Okay, Damien, yes, it's good afternoon. I am a subscriber and a regular listener to your program. I don't know if this is the right way it's supposed to be done, but let me ask the question. I am 63 and my husband passed away for a while. So I am looking a partner. I am living in New Jersey, but originally I am from Westmoreland in Jamaica. I am looking somebody between 58 to about 65. I know in my age group, it's a bit sticky and it takes a while. So I don't know what you can do for me. Also, I would rather somebody that lives in the United States because I've seen on your program too much ladies that goes down and the relationship don't work. Long distance relationship sometimes does not work. So I would rather somebody that lives here. I don't want nobody house and car and land. I have mine. So I would rather somebody that has theirs, I have mine, and then we build together. We enjoy life. Somebody like that I am looking, sir. As I said, I know with my age group, it's a bit sticky, but let I put myself out there and see how best it will work out. Thank you. Have a great afternoon, sir.
Yeah, mix up, boss. Blessings and respect to the eye. and the wonderful work where you carry out, Helpful as usual and thing. I mean, God bless you always. Yeah, looking for a decent lady. Right? It's hard to really find a decent one these days, but nobody have to be perfect still. But she must have Christian values, you know, Christian values and independent, you know. 5 feet 8, 5 feet 11. That good for me still. In terms of height, yeah. You know, living in the UK. So it would be good if see somebody in the UK also. Living in East London too, still. So yeah, and I mean that me just sent to you the photo there. So yeah. Hope, that I'll be well after this. And continue to do the good work again with God's blessings, all right? All right, bless.
Yeah, man, MIXUP boss, man. And in the morning, I'm showing him back the program, man. Cause last night, I really drop asleep early. You get to me, I say, I'm going and tired, but can be like 35, 36, 37, 38, 35-year-old, godly type. You get to me, I say, I'm hard working, man. And taxi me running, me have a pro box. I might own a vehicle, you get to me, I say, yeah, man, I just want a good life. You get to me, I say, my general. Yeah, man, I go through a lot. I know I ain't it now, you get me?
Hey, MIXUP boss, yeah, man. I am from Canada, and I'm in my 40s, late 40s, like 47. I would like to meet a nice lady from maybe America, but preferably Canada. I'm in the Ontario area. So I'd like for she to come visit and I can visit. Serious relationship, no games. Okay, I will send her some picture. If she interested, she can contact you and we'll go through the procedure right there. All right, I do that excellent job. Big up yourself, man. All right, one love.
All right, guys. So that's it for tonight. So big up on yourself. Share, like, tell me what you think. I'm out.